All right, boys and girls, Chevy should be really happy. Chevy should be patting themselves in the back because the 0 to 60 time for the Corvette ZR1 is officially here, or they've been revealed, and so has the quarter-mile time. And I got to tell you, it is insane what this vehicle pumped out. Let's get into it. What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are rocking with the content, remember to tune in and subscribe. Let's keep on rocking. All right, boys and girls, the Corvette ZR1 has officially been here. We've covered it. We've done tons of video on it. 5.5 V8 pushing twin turbo V8 pushing 1,064 horsepower. But people were wondering, what is the MSRP price on this vehicle? What is the 0 to 60? What is the quarter-mile time on this vehicle? Well, the MSRP, we don't know yet, but we do have a ballpark range of what what it could start moving towards, because the Corvette E-Race starts anywhere between $108,000, $105,000, $110,000, depending if there's any dealer markups. There's probably going to be. Now the Corvette CO6 starts at 110 and up, which is another amazing vehicle. So what the Corvette ZR1 is going to be, we really don't know. Now we have to remember, it is the fastest, quickest, it is the quickest Corvette ever produced, and it is the quickest car under $1 million. It ran 233 miles per hour at the German Oval, the Papenburg German Oval. It ran 233 miles per hour. So these numbers that were achieved, the 0 to 60 and the quarter-mile time, were achieved with the ZTK performance package. Jesus, I can't talk today. Performance package Corvette ZR1. Now the standard Corvette ZR1, it's a little bit slower, it's a tad slower. And the moment that we've been waiting for, the 0 to 60 came in at 2.3 seconds, and the quarter mile came in at 9.6 seconds at 150 miles per hour. It will arrive next year. Again, we're still waiting on that MSRP price. Now, some big things you have to note about this. It ran on 93 pump gas, and it ran in a non-prep drag strip surface. Now, I think if you put tires on it and you would run it in a prep track, I think you're going to get way better numbers. Not way better numbers, but you're definitely going to get some better numbers. And to put it in perspective, between the Ferrari SF90 and the Lamborghini Revuelto, comparing to the MSRP price, they both need 2.5 seconds from the 0 to 60. Now, however, it's worth noting that the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon could also accelerate the 0 to 60 in 2.3 seconds and run the quarter mile in 9.6 seconds at 140. But the SRT Demon 170 is the actual quickest production American car, because it runs the quarter mile in 8.91 seconds, but it traps a speed of like 151. So it's kind of there, but it's still better than the ZR1 when it comes to the quarter mile. But then again, the Demon was built mainly for being a drag strip. Even though you could drive it daily, it was definitely built for that. So regardless, these are impressive figures for Chevy. And Corvette chief engineer Josh Holder said the 2025 Corvette ZR1 yet exceeds our expectations, combining the top speed of 233 miles per hour, which is unrivaled to any production car under $1 million. The Corvette ZR1 delivers its mission to provide customers with amazing power. And it's also worth noting that the car that was mentioned obviously is the twin turbo 5.5 V8 that produces 1,064 horsepower, 828 feet-pound of torque, and is connected to the 8-speed dual clutch transmission, which features a stronger shaft and improved lubrication. These are exciting times for Chevy. Absolutely. You still got the Corvette ZR1. You got the Corvette CO6, the E-Ray, you got your standard Stingray. And nowadays, with a lot of people moving towards EV and the V8 kind of being hanging, where it's going, where it's not going, is it going to die, is it not going to die? I released a video today where I talked about the Hemi finally living on, and Dodge has extended production in the Hemi in the Dodge Durango, because now Tim Kanuski is in Dodge and they're listening to the consumer. Chevy and Ford have been listening to the consumers for a while, and we have V8 for a long time. 0 to 60, 2.3 seconds, quarter mile at 9.6 seconds, 150 miles per hour. Again, this was done with the ZTK package at 93 pump gas in a non-prep service. And I still believe that if you put tires on it and you take it to a prep surface, you are going to get better numbers. Anyways, short little fun video today, guys. If you guys are rocking with the content, hit that thumbs up and the subscribe. I am out of here.